Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this is about A, this is about B. So we need to create about this one to cancel about the square root. So we need to multiply by the square root of s minus 1 minus the square root of s plus 1 on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have s minus 1 minus s plus 1. So negative number 1, negative number 1, we have negative number 2. So I will put negative number 2 go outside. Next, s will multiply by this one and this one. Now, I will concentrate on this one first. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s minus 1. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, I will put negative number 1 go to the left because we have s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u squared, we have to u. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. About s, we have number 1. So this one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by 2u du. So number 2 I will put outside u and u, we have u squared. So this one we have u squared multiplied by u squared and number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. Now, I will concentrate on the second one. So we do the same technique for this one, but I need to change the sign so we can get the final answer in here. So this one we change by positive. So this one we have negative. This one we change by negative. Now, after we have the results, we need to go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer we need to find in here. Now, negative 1 over 2 multiplied by number 2 and negative number 2, we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.